Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G9 Play, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's open first the control panel, and you'll see here all of the available options. If you want to add here new options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons, you should just tap here to this edit icon. And to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold the icon and drag it by this way. To add the new option to your panel, hold icon and drag it to the subsection. By the same way, you could remove options from your panel, just hold and drag it. To reset the changes, tap to these three dots on the right upper corner and tap to reset. To save the changes, click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.